In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair a new remote control with your electric skateboard. So I have my electric skateboard over here, you can see, and this is an old remote control. It's dead, so I need to replace it. So what I did, I just bought a new one, and I'm going to pair it with this skateboard. Okay. So to pair your new remote control with the skateboard, first thing you want to do is you have to turn on the skateboard and then press and hold the power button for a few seconds till it starts flashing. So like this. You can see now it's in pairing mode. So you want to press and hold this power button and then you have to press this button once. So here. Okay, and now it's paired. So you see. I have around 1,400 kilometers on this skateboard. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.